All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back for some more leaked and discovered information about Subnautica 2. This time from Donya, the community manager for the Subnautica 2 Discord server. And it was mentioned that it looks like the next big patch for Subnautica 2 is going to be coming out in the next 3 to 4 weeks, give or take. And that's going to be the update 1.1, not like the really big region expanding update, which I know a lot of people are probably already stoked for, even though we haven't heard a word on when that one's going to be released. But 1.1 is going to be the first quality of life update for the game. That's going to do some improvements to the Biomod system, where you can go up to the Biomod machine and you can give yourself different adaptations to make your life easier or more convenient, or even unlock later some more adaptations once you get the bioscanner. They're also going to be doing some reworks for the Blight encounters when you're fighting the different critters that are around the angel combs to get some different upgrades to progress in the game, along with trying to tweak how the wrecks work. I'm not entirely certain because swimming through a wreck under the water tends to be swimming through a wreck under the water, but maybe they're going to tweak how much ductwork you have to swim through, or making it look more interesting on the inside. After that, there's going to be some vehicle docking and fabrication tweaks, tweaks to your PDA databank so that it's easier to replay audio logs and look through other information, which I hope that they're getting away from just the gigantic dumb list that they have now, which is extremely annoying to navigate and really needs a search function, if nothing else. Beyond that, there's also some planned additions for more biomod slots, the unlocking of the storage cache, which you can actually already build technically inside of the game. It's just a little chest that you can place in different parts of your base that's a little bit smaller than the giant tailings chest, the alien chest that you can already build. So here's hoping that that's going to be a really great update coming out soon, sometime in the next 3-ish, maybe 4-ish weeks. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.